Okay, this is continuation of the previous video on investments before we were so rudely cut off. So again, just for Part E, taking the $900 per year and dividing it by 6 to find, or $900 per 6 months, divided by 6, that's $150 is the average gain per month. So July and August, the estimate will earn another $300, which still leaves them a little bit short before September. But again, at least providing some evidence as to what your prediction is. All right, so for exercise 1, complete the ledger given to find the beginning balance and then continue the video to check your answer. All right, so you should have, if you're given all the payments and deposits, then you would basically work backwards. You would start with the balance, and if this is a payment, you would actually add it to find the previous balance. And instead of deposit, you would subtract it to find the previous balance, and so on and so forth, working backwards to find the beginning balance. So when the beginning balance was given, the transactions were subtracted from the balance if a payment was made, and the deposits were added to the balance if a deposit was made. How does the process change when the ending balance is given and the challenge is to find the beginning balance? And just like I got done describing, if the ending balance is given and the payment was made, then you need to add the payment to the ending balance to get the beginning balance. Likewise, if the ending balance is given and a deposit was made, you need to subtract the payment from the ending balance to get the beginning balance. So model the process described in the previous question by writing and solving an equation for the deposit made from the refund of Clear's Playhouse, assuming the preceding balance was X. Well, if you are doing a refund, it'd be X plus 150 equals $591.03. And then to show how you would solve or isolate X, remember we want to make 0 here, so we would subtract 150, which means we would subtract 150 on this side of the equation, which leaves us with X equals $441.03. So what happens if the deposit amount is greater than the ending balance? How can this be written? Well, if the deposit is greater than the ending balance, then the beginning balance would be less than 0 and written as a negative number. This negative number indicates that someone owes money. All right, so to summarize, calculations with rational numbers are used when recording investment transactions. Deposits are added to account balance. Money is deposited into an account. Gains are added to account balance as they are positive returns on the investment. And withdrawals are subtracted from an account balance because money is taken out of the account. And losses are subtracted from an account balance as they are negative returns on the investment. And fees are subtracted from an account balance as the bank financial company is charging you for a service. All right, we'll see you in class.